Right, in this video I'm going to share with you how to solve speed questions that involves catching up with somebody else. This is a very typical Singaporean math question, and what's important is not to memorize the steps, of course, is to understand the concepts behind it so that you are able to, use the problem solving skills when you encounter such questions, right? You are able to tell the patterns in the question. So in this question we have Mr. Wu driving from Garden City at 7 a.m. So there is a start time 7 a.m. That's Mr. Wu, and then he traveled for half an hour, and after traveling for half an hour, Mr. Singh decided to join the party, and he started traveling there at a different speed. What time did they catch up? So what you have here is a head start. Somebody had a head start, and because Mr. Singh is traveling at a different speed, which is faster than Mr. Wu, he is eventually going to catch up. So the concept here is this: if two people started traveling, if person number 2 started traveling later, then person 1 had a head start. And then the difference in speed allows person 2 to catch up over time. The difference in speed is in kilometers per hour. This tells you how many kilometers is caught up within 1 hour. And so you use the distance to catch up and divide that by the difference in their speed to find the amount of time needed to catch up. I'm going to repeat number 4 one more time. First, find the amount of distance needed to catch up. Divide that by the speed difference, because distance divided by speed is going to give you time. But you're going to wonder, what kind of time am I finding, right? So the time you've actually found is the time needed for person 2 to catch up with person 1. Right, so in the question it mentioned that person 2 has a speed of 75 kilometers per hour, person 1 has a speed of 60, so the difference in their speed is 15 kilometers per hour. So in every 1 hour, person 2 catches up by 15 kilometers. Okay, remember that person 1 had a head start, right? So the head start, you gotta find it out. He traveled for half an hour, and so the head start is 30 kilometers. That's the distance for person 2 to cover in order to catch up. So you use the distance, divide by the speed, the difference in distance divide by the distance to cover divided by the difference in speed, and you're gonna get time. Distance divided by speed is gonna give you time. And what time is this? It's the time needed to catch up. And there we have it. Started at 7 a.m. Half an hour later, he starts moving off. 2 hours later, he catches up. And that'll be the answer.